Soon gonna be getting a ride in this badass BMW. It is going to be off the charts. See you when we get ready. As oh boy. Yeah.
Not over there. Yeah, this one over here.
So introduce yourself, buddy.
My name is Ryan Mucci, and this is my E46.
The most baddest E46 on the planet.
I don't know about that. It's definitely the most beat up one.
Hey, Dad, how you doing?
Can you do me a favor? Can you do me a favor?
What's up?
Make sure he shits his pants.
Yeah. Not in my car though. I thought I could go this way. I guess not.
What did you say?
I said big lineup.
Yeah. So why don't you remind you told me, but tell everybody your setup.
It's a, what year is this? 05 LS 4.8 with Sloppy Stage 2 cam, and that's pretty well it.
And
springs. It's pretty simple.
Simple, he says.
Yeah.
Does that sound?
Well, I'm Canadian, but it's got 480,000 kilometers.
Holy shit, man.
Yeah.
Man, if only you went to Hardcore Happening earlier this year, dude. That would have been. You would have had a lot of fun if you ever been there.
Where's that?
It's right off of. That already happened this year, but it was at Linwood Road, Old Soul Hard Rod Shop, from 1 to 12 o'clock. It's literally straight burnouts.
Really, eh?
And they do have a little drift pit where you can do donuts.
Nice. Well, let's see how this thing does.
Oh yeah. And bud?
So I've had this car for 2 years. Last season, this was a turbo M54, running like 8 pounds of boost. So it did all right. And then I went to LS for this year, and I caged it over the winter too.
Really?
I still got to paint it this year, but it's gone through some changes from last year.
Oh, that's awesome. Do you have like any social media?
Yeah, I do. B46.
And where's that?
On Instagram.
B46 on Instagram?
Yes, sir.
All right. Well, everybody, go follow this awesome dude. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be having one of the best days of my life. Oh, I'm gonna pause, guys. I'm gonna pause the recording till we get up there, just so we can save on juice. But I'll see you guys when we get there. And as my father said, I'll probably shit my pants. The second he opens the door, it's just gonna go plop. I couldn't do it in this car, no. I can't pay for this. All right, guys, we made it. About to shit my pants soon. Yeah. Hey, he did it. He did it to me too. Yeah! That was the most insane thing I've ever done in my life. Oh my god, this thing's gotta be so much fun. I bet your neighbors love you.
Oh yeah, they don't.
You just made the best birthday of my life, dude.
Glad I could help.
Oh my god. Oh my god. There's one small problem though.
What's
I
that?
think my shorts are wet.
Hopefully it's from the rain.
Do rain drops have chunks in them? I'm just messing.
I said no.
Seriously, dude, thank you so much.
From
Parker.
That's me.
Nice to meet you, bud. Alright, seriously, guys, go follow Ryan. And one more time, your Instagram?
No.
One more time. One more time.
That was a good time.
One more time. Tell us your Instagram. Just
Beat46.
Beat46. BEET 46?
No. BEAT 46, then some underscores. But
Oh,
yeah, you
okay.
can figure that out.
Yeah, thank you, buddy.